Uh, Today we are going to look about how we can create the report cards and so on. So when you're creating a report card, mostly what you need basically should be having results of students and their names and their details. So on the report card, create something on Excel like this and it will appear like this. This is a sample. Have people like 3 students here. I'm having the students here, the names. So can even by the way you can first work by creating their what now you see the names, the mathematics and these are subjects, and create their average. The average. You shall need the average. And this one we shall do it with a formula like equal signs average. It is, I think this is it. Cosine average return the average. Arithmetics is similes and so on. So yes, equal signs what equal signs average equal signs average. This one, I'll show you this one, and we'll have to put something of this kind here, like that, and just enter. It gives you the average, like this. This will be the average for each student, and that is the average. We can look even for the sum, like sum, the total number, the total marks that each student is having. Let's go and do equal signs sum. So how to do this formula? Like sum, like this, and you just come because I'm getting sum for each and every person, and for this particular person, and I say enter. This one is not for this person, and I enter. This is not true because it was not for that guy. I can put here and so equals to sum. Equals to sum. Yeah. And I say for this particular person, I say enter. I get that one. If I scroll down, I'll have to get different marks for each person. Different and different. Understand this one is this and this. So I'll have to do the what they call the what they call the ranking, and I can use if form, and I say this now when I want to grade, can grade each and every marks here, can grade each and everything. I can grade here. We shall have to grade here, and I say if I can grade here, and I say grade. Even I can rank. You see, I rank from number 1 to number 3 to number 4 and so on. But I'm on grading. Like if I can come here and I say equal signs, I use the if if method, and I say what is if it is something here brings already. So if I start with the smallest to biggest, or I start from the biggest to the smallest, I say the best here I'm having say 89, and I can say if I'm grading just English, I'm going to use English, and I say if it is should it be D1, you understand? If D1, if it is less than, not less than, if it is greater than or equal to, greater than, shift, where is my greater than sign here, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, what to 80. I'm giving a D1 and I say comma, or if it is grade 3 this and this and this, you see, comma, and I say I specify something like that is an A if D2 D1 and goes this and this and this, that is it. And I say comma, and I say if could be a credit 5, should be a D, let me say credit 3 if credit 3 if it is less than or equal to or equal to or equal to what, or equal to should be something like or equal to 60, or equal to 60. I can rank because I'm dealing with that, you understand? That is it what I'm doing. I can use the enter comment, and this is false. I'm using here and I'm grading it here. If and so on, so on, just like that. You can get the average and so on.